Good morning, everybody. We are back at Ed Allen's on the Chickahominy Lake with my buddy RVAYakR in the background and his new Sportsman pedal kayak. New friend Aaron, 804 Fishing over there. And an old childhood friend, well, let's not call him old, but he is a childhood friend, David. We're gonna hit this lake and see if we can catch some awesome fish. This is the first time you stopped by, thanks so much. Consider hitting the subscribe button, leave a comment. Let's go catch some fish, guys. All right, guys, we are on the water. My buddy Dave and his new kayak right there. See if we can get on some fish. RVAYakR in all his glory. I'm drafting you, dude. Wow, what a sight behind us, dude. All right, look at that view, guys. How beautiful is that? It's beautiful, that's what it is.
Where are we heading, Ronnie?
We're just gonna head up yonder, I think. You ever been there?
Have I ever been here?
To yonder.
Oh, yonder? Yeah, yonder. You know, there's at least several yonders. So it's just a matter of which yonder is your yonder versus my yonder. Oh, fish on.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. That is a nice one, dude. On the frog.
Yeah, that's what I'm throwing myself. That's a pretty fish.
Come on, buddy. Yeah.
Oh, while you're boating it, I'm going to catch one real quick, okay? Is that okay?
That is fine. Yeah, baby. The frog right in the muck there, Ronnie.
Oh, really? The banana curse is over.
Oh.
Of course I'm not recording. Because you're never recording when you want to be recording. Alright, guys, I just was trolling. I was trolling with the whopper plopper here. And caught a, I don't know, maybe a pound bass. Let's see. Yeah, maybe a pound. All right. Wow, its mouth is all tore up on the inside. All tore up. I was just trolling with it. Trolling with this whopper plopper in T1000 color. All right. Nice, man, beautiful coloration of that fish. Look at that. Kind of a very, I don't even know, brassy, bronzy color. Very pretty. Right here, guys. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish, eh? All right, let's let her go. All right, there is RVAYakR right next to me in all his red, white, and blue. America. And lose these for a moment. We're at the back of Lacey Creek in Chickahominy Lake, and we're actually able to get across the creek, what looked like land on the map, and it joins us up to Johnson Creek. So we're just about in open water, which will be nice because it is mucky. All right, guys. You were too close. I just had to see you in person. Greg just pulled a couple pounder up, 2.5, I think.
Did he?
Yeah.
What are they hitting on for you guys?
Nothing for me.
You got the one earlier, right?
I got the one earlier, yeah. He paddle tail is what he's using.
Yeah, I got a paddle tail tied on.
Yeah. Well, I don't want to hold you guys up. I'm a little winded, actually.
You were getting it.
You know what?
You were getting it across that water.
Well, I saw a damn speedboat coming. I'm like, I'm gonna.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you were trying to outpace the speedboat.
Well, I wanted enough distance between us, you know.
This is why you're so skinny now.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's what dinner and snacks are for, you know, like.
Hey.
All right, guys, we made it back to the boat ramp safely. It's midday, it's hot. RVAYakR hydrating back there. He caught 4 or 5 fish. I caught one, and but that's okay because it was a beautiful day. Aaron caught some fish. We got to get David on some fish. I think he may have had some 3 or 4 connections, but didn't land one. So a little bit of everything today on this lake. The Chickahominy Lake is kind of an interesting place. Sometimes you catch fish, other times you don't, but you seem to always have a good time, and that's really what matters. So we're gonna call it a day, and until next time, go check out his page, RVAYakR. Hopefully you're checking out my page because you're watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to either of our pages, consider doing it. We appreciate it. Always appreciate the support and enjoy sharing our videos. So until next time, Fishtails RVA is out and tired.